Welcome to this reimagined Park Avenue home, a full renovation of a 6,000 square foot apartment for a young family, blending modern design with contemporary art in a fresh departure from tradition. This home is designed by Dessins LLC. It is an interior design firm founded by Penny Drew Baird, based in New York City with a second office in Paris. One of the firm's notable project residents. Baird led the design of this gut renovation of a 6,000 square foot, 6-bedroom apartment. The residence is located in a limestone-clad building on Park Avenue in New York City. The clients, a young couple with children, were repeat clients who originally favored a traditional style. However, they pivoted to a more modern aesthetic to complement their collection of contemporary art. Known for creating personalized homes with architectural detail, warmth, and elegance, the firm blends various styles. incorporates unique antiques and custom furnishings. The design honors the building's Art Deco roots while blending classical motifs with mid-century lighting and curated contemporary pieces. Key elements include custom moldings, antique fireplace mantels, rich wood paneling, and tufted wall niches. The entry gallery features a marble floor with a custom classical Art Deco-inspired pattern. A mahogany and shea green console, designed by Dessins and built by Mark Ludeman, completes the space. Vintage Murano glass lamps and a mid-century crystal and brass chandelier enhance the space. In the living room, an iconic Yves Klein table door sets the tone, paired with caramel and gold-toned upholstery and sapphire blue accents. A wood-finished lacquer waterfall table and bronze torchieres add further visual interest. The apartment's layout features an enfilade of rooms for better entertaining flow.